Good morning, Bedford Hills Elementary. I am Francis Carey, your SEA Vice President.
And I am Owen Terry, your SEA Secretary, and this is the news for Tuesday, February 25th, 2020.
In today's day in history, in 1836, Samuel Colt invented the Colt revolver.
In 1837, the electric printing press was invented by Thomas Davenport.
In 1933, the first aircraft carrier was launched. It was called the USS Ranger.
In 1964, Cassius Clay beat Sonny Liston to become heavyweight champion. Wow, today is Mardi Gras, which is French for Fat Tuesday.
This celebration dates back to an ancient Roman festival honoring two goddesses. When Christians arrived in Rome, they began using the feast and celebration as a part of their traditions for Lent.
Through time and culture, the practices of Lent and Carnival, Mardi Gras, and Shrove Tuesday have varied and become incorporated into religional customs.
Yes, in the United Kingdom and Russia, they eat pancakes as their traditional food.
The French tradition of masks and pastries influenced our country, specifically in New Orleans, where Mardi Gras is full of fun and king cake.
Today's word of the day will be shared by guest speakers from library class.
Hello, my name is Kate, and my name is Nevaeh. And I am Ella, and here's the word of the day. The word of the day is procrastinate. It is a verb which means to keep putting something off that should be done. For example, I procrastinated my homework. Sorry, Mr. Swan.
Thank you, guest speakers. That is it from us today.
Have a great Tuesday.
This is Owen Terry.
And Francis Carey. Remember, be respectful,
Be responsible.
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.